OA, y equal to x, therefore dy equal to dx. Okay, and x varies from, now dy equal to dx. So this integral from 0 to 1 plus I z square dz will be, or can be written as integral from, so as we discussed yesterday, here z square means x plus iy the whole square, z is x plus iy, so it is x plus iy the whole square, and dz means dx plus I dy, because z equal to x plus iy, so dz will be dx plus I dy. Now here both x and y is here. Okay, so here the limit will be 0 to 1 plus I till this x and y is here. Means if x and y is present there, you have to write the limit as 0 to 1 plus I, means in terms of the complex terms only, complex numbers only. Now what I am going to do here is, I will change this. So x plus iy the whole square, here y equal to x, on this line OA y equal to x. So we are replacing all y with x, or you can do all x with y also. So x plus ix the whole square, then dx plus I into dx, I of dx. Okay, so now this all is in terms of x only. So range of, or limit of x is from 0 to 1. See, from 0 0 to 1 1. So x moves from 0 to 1 and y also moves from 0 to 1. So we have converted all y to x, so you need only the limit of x. Now that is equal to 0 to 1, expanding this one, or I can do here, we can take x common here, so x square into 1 plus I the whole square, because x is taken out of this square, so it becomes x square. This is not necessary to do like this, you can expand it. So you can expand it, or you can expand it here itself, and after that you can give 1 plus, you can replace y with x. Anyway you can do that, and here also you can see dx is there a common term, so 1 plus I into dx. So that is equal to, now 1 plus I here and 1 plus I here also. So it is 1 plus I the whole cube common 0 to 1 x, here it is x square dx, and that is equal to 1 plus I the whole cube, and here x cube upon 3. X cube upon 3 means it is from 0 to 1. So giving the limit means x is 1, so 1 by 3, and lower limit is 0. So it is 1 plus I the whole cube upon 3. And this you can again simplify as 1 by 3 into, here just open this bracket, 1 a plus b the whole cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, so that is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 plus 3i, and here 3i square means minus 3, and I cube is minus I. Okay, then this is equal to 1 by 3 into, here 1 minus 3, it is minus 2, and plus 3i minus I is minus 2i, or that is equal to, again minus 2 common, minus 2 by 3 into 1 plus I. एक minus 2 by 3 into 1 plus I. 1 plus I और 1 minus I एक साइड में प्रॉब्लम है क्या, देखो एक चेक करो एक बार. Is there any change in the sign? Please see. Hmm. Here 2I है plus 2I. Yeah, right. हाँ वही तो था. Yes, here it is 1 plus 3I minus I is plus 2I. So it is okay. So we will not take the negative outside.